Community Festival in Mount Horeb is also an important event to reduce the stigma of mental health.
The Mental Health and Wellness Fall Festival is also a fundraiser for a newly created nonprofit organization called the Cedar Center, which stands for Connected Equine Development and Rehabilitation Center.
The festival is being held next Saturday, October 7th, at the Snapdragon Farm and Stables. Jess Dahlman is a licensed professional counselor, and Angel say it for me.
Milsna.
Thank you. Is the owner of Snapdragon Farm and Stables. Welcome to both of you.
Hi, ladies. Good to see you.
Hi.
So just tell us about the process of this equine mental health back and forth.
Yeah, so this particular event was inspired a little bit by the work that I do and different community members seeing the work and talking about the desire to have an opportunity for people to experience it and have some sort of festival. And after a little bit, a number of community members wanted to volunteer to make it a reality.
What is the connection between horses and people that are struggling with mental health?
That is a great question. The reality is that horses are much bigger than humans. Horses have a slightly higher body temperature, have a slightly, a bigger presence, and so they're able to help regulate and soothe and support the nervous systems of humans who might feel scared or have PTSD or even depression. It can help elevate positive emotions and that sort of thing.
Just talking to them, being in their presence? And
yep, sometimes touch, sometimes practicing communication or leadership skills by leading them around. There's a lot of different ways that the horses can really show up for people.
And those big eyes.
Yes,
Yeah.
those big eyes, yeah.
So why did you get involved in this on your farm?
That's a great question. In my childhood, I had horses really step up and be supportive in ways that I don't think anybody really could have ever offered me, human to human. And as my family and I have cleaned up our farm over the last almost 20 years, the beautiful driftless area out in Mount Horeb just was such a wonderful setting that I wanted to share it with folks. And so connecting with my friends, Jess, bringing people and horses together and nature and art, it's just been a really good collaboration.
It's so generous of you, Angel, and your family to do this. And it's about, you're going to be doing a lot of things at this fall festival. Try to give us the Cliff Notes version of all of the things you're doing next weekend.
Yeah, that's a great thing. Cliff Notes, we are going to have panel speakers touching on all points of mental health and the way that it connects through music, art, movement. We're going to have food trucks. We're going to have activities, demos, nature walks. Am I missing anything?
we have face painting. We have things, all sorts of things for people of all ages, really tailoring to young folks and older folks, families, individuals. We have Spanish interpreters and American Sign Language interpreters who are volunteering for the event. It's really designed to elevate the fact that everybody has ways to access community and access mental health opportunities.
And the Cedar Center will be up and running soon? Or is it going to be at the farm?
Yep, the Cedar Center will be represented there, yep. And one of the ponies that is going to be at the farm is currently a Cedar Center pony, the first donation to the rescue and rehabilitation process.
It is next Saturday.
Yep.
Let's put up we have the
11 to 8.
info on the screen there.
Angel, where is Snapdragon Farm? Give us a frame of reference for where you are in Mount Horeb.
Great. We are just west of Madison, maybe 35 minutes for some folks, and just south of Mount Horeb. So
And the event is free, right?
It's free.
Would you
open
like
to
people to
public.
register before they show up,
No,
or it doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter.
They got plenty of room. It's a big farm.
Big farm.
Thank you for being with us today. And best of luck. Keep up the good work.
Thanks for having us.
Have a great event next weekend.
Thank you.